There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Hey, divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now,
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl A. So y'all already know how I feel about SHEIN. They got just about everything, girl. From home decor, car decor, clothes for the cats and dogs, hair, accessories, you name it, they got just about anything. And the site can get overwhelming and so much to offer that you probably will put everything in your baskets and forget what you really came on SHEIN for. I mean, listen, they got exercise equipment, office equipment, makeup, hair. Girl, they can get you together. Like when I say they can get you together, they can get you right. But one of my favorite shops, I already know that I can find them, and which is called Jeanoix. So girl, listen, if you got a shop, go on to the search and type in your favorite shop's name. Mine's is Jeanoix, and I make sure to follow them. So click enter and follow, girl. Jeanoix got just about everything from plus size denim to regular size denim. And girl, what can I tell you about SHEIN? They got just about everything from the kitchen sink that you can imagine. And I love shopping on their app because what I tell y'all, you can find anything from clearance. And if you follow one of the websites, girl, you'll be notified of all stuff new, old, clearance, and on sale. So make sure you follow your favorite shop. Moving right along is this Jeanoix Denim Wash embroidery jacket. Girl, this is reminding me somewhat of like a trench jacket, something from Matrix. This was definitely giving me cowgirl, Texas, you know, all of that type of stuff. I definitely had to decide to throw on my cowboy girl boots that I got last Christmas of 2023. Now listen, let me tell you, the cute little floral print dress underneath is also from SHEIN. I really didn't know what to pair this with. I just know that I really like this jacket. It buttons up, and I really wish I would have got an inner size 1X because it was giving a little bit much big. But I know how to sew and take this in. Definitely want to check out Jeanoix for this one. Now, when I tell y'all, I love the Jeanoix denim wear. This denim frayed hem denim jacket is definitely a winner chicken dinner. And yes, girl, I decided to pair it with one of my other SHEIN dresses. I love these dresses. They just give me cowgirl, country look. And if you want to really jazz it up, you can take off the denim jacket. But I get loads of my denim jackets from SHEIN, and what better place to get them, baby? Okay, I was feeling this denim jacket. I love the hem in it. And I like the scallop fronts, okay, on this. It's giving very much girly and sophisticated. I did get this in a size 2X. And check out those faux pockets, girl. Don't think you're putting any money in there because there's no pocket. It's just there for show. My opinion, definitely a must. I love this denim jacket. It fits very well. I'm loving the fray on it, and I love the scope of it as well. Definitely when you compare it with a dress and still look cute with your cowgirl boots, girl, get it. I'm really not into all that much fashion, but when I do see something I like, I will pair it together. Okay. Last but not least is these Jeanoix Cameo Print Multi-Pocket Denim Jean Pants. Now, girl, listen, I got these in a 2X. I really should have sized up and got a 3X because my backside is making these pants look like they just fit at the ankles. And if y'all know me very well, I like my pants to definitely be colored my ankles. But as for this denim jacket, girl, this is also from SHEIN. And I got this a minute ago. When I tell y'all SHEIN has the best denim jacket, they got the best denim jackets. Now, the one cool thing about these cameo jeans is they come with loads of pockets. You get some pockets at the hip, you got some at the thigh, and you got some underneath the knees and in the backside. Girl, you won't forget anything because you could definitely fill up in these jeans. And I also got them in a different color. They look the same, but just a little bit darker. Girl, I'll tell you what, I will link everything down below. Y'all know y'all want to save. Bye.
So you